everybody! Today I'll teach you how to crochet this beautiful granny square. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also activate the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my new tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Let's get started. Make a magic ring. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet. Chain 2 as the first double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet 11 times. And now pull the yarn tail to close the circle. Make a slip stitch into the second chain from the single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now change the color and make a slip knot. Take off the hook. Insert the hook into any stitch and place the loop on the hook. Chain 4 as the first treble crochet. Then make 2 treble crochet together into the same stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 2. Into the next stitch, make 3 treble crochet together. Now you will have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 2. Into the next stitch, make 3 treble crochet together. Now you will have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Then chain 2. Repeat all the way around. Make a slip stitch into the second treble crochet right here. And now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Change the cutter and make a slip knot. Take off the hook and insert it into any chain space. And place the loop on the hook. Then chain 4 at the first treble crochet. And make 2 treble crochet into the same space. Then chain 1. Into the next 2 spaces, make 3 double crochet, then chain 1. To make the second corner, make 3 treble crochet. Chain 3, 3 treble crochet. Then chain 1. Make 3 double crochet. Chain 1 into the next 2 spaces. Repeat the same pattern to complete the other two sides. And here, make 3 treble crochet. Then end this round with 1 double crochet into the top of chain 4. For the last round, chain 3 as the first double crochet. And make 1 double crochet into the same space. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch and 1 double crochet into each space. Into this corner, make 2 double crochet. Chain 2. Two double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into each stitch and 1 double crochet into each space. Repeat all the way around. Into this space, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.